Hey guys, it's Amanda and Dani with you again, and today we're going to talk about volume, and we're going to look at how we would measure the volume of rectangular prisms. Okay, so volume, what that means is it's the measurement of how much space an object occupies. When we talk about the volume of an object, we're talking about objects that have 3 dimensions. When we measure volume, we always measure volume in units cubed. Okay? So remember how we measured area in square units? Well, when we measure volume, since it's 3 dimensions, we measure in cube units. Measuring the volume of a rectangular prism is really easy. We have to look for 3 parts of the solid in order to calculate the volume. So let's look at the prism that we created. And we're going to look at the measurement of those 3 parts. So the first thing we have to measure is the base. Okay, and here in my rectangular prism, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units as my base. The next thing we have to look at is the width. The width is how profound or how deep the prism is. So here we have 1, 2, 3 units as the width. And then we have to measure the height. The height is altura. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 units as our height. And all we have to do with those measurements is multiply them together. So here we have in our rectangular prism a base of 5 units. We have a width of 3 units, and we have a height of 4 units. So in order to calculate the volume, I have to do 5 times 3 times 4, base times width times height, and that would give us, well, let's look at it together. 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 times 4 is 60. So that would give us 60 cube units. Okay, so the volume is 60 cube units. When we write units cubed, all we do is we put a little tiny 3 in the corner, and that will indicate that whatever we use to measure our volume, it's a cubed unit. So if you're measuring centimeters, it would be centimeters cubed. In meters, meters cubed, etc. Okay, thanks guys. Let me know if you have any trouble.